Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start in Safari, open the browser, and go to the page you want to view as a desktop site. Once loaded, look at the left side of the address bar. That's where the view controls live. If the page auto-redirects to a mobile layout, don't panic. You can force the desktop version from here. Make sure your connection is stable so site resources load. This prevents reloads that revert to mobile layout while you work. Tap the AA icon and choose Request Desktop Website. Safari will reload the page with the desktop user agent so the site serves its full layout. If you want this for every visit to that domain, press and hold the refresh button or enable the per site toggle in Settings Safari Request Desktop Website and flip on the domain. This tells the server you prefer desktop assets. Once done, navigate or reload. After requesting desktop view, scroll and interact to confirm the full site UI is present. Some elements may still be mobile due to responsive design. If the page looks broken, clear Safari's cache or toggle the desktop request off and on. Settings Safari clear history and website data, then reapply Request Desktop Website. If content is hard to read, switch to reader mode for text-focused layout. Remember that some sites deliberately serve limited features to mobile browsers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.